Here's how you change a battery in a Subaru Crosstrek Key Fob, or any other Subaru that has a fob that looks like this. This is from a 2024 Crosstrek. So step one, on the back side you have this little silver button. Press that, remove your key. In here you'll see a small little silver like piece of metal and the big long one. So in that small one, that is just the right size to fit the key in there. Kind of push it in, get in there a bit. It goes one way, try the other way if it doesn't like the first way. And it should allow you to start prying it apart. Press it in there and give it a little push toward the back, and it'll pop it open. And of course, chances are your button will pop out. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Put it back. So it is a single CR2032 battery. It's face up. If you want to help support the channel, I have a link to batteries that you can order through an affiliate link. So you can take this part out. Remember, it goes that way. And you can get a better angle on where this battery is. You can use your fingernail if you've got a strong fingernail, or use the edge of the key again. And just carefully pry it out from the end. All right. Then abracadabra, here's your new battery. Notice the tabs on the back are a little further apart. Slip it in that way. Clips in. Lay that back down on the key fob. Now here is your button with the spring. The spring hopefully does not come out. Notice the orientation. Here's that large metal tab that you can see when it's put together. There's a little hole with a little dot down there. You can see where the spring would go. You just set that back down in there carefully, and it will kind of grab and hold it in place. Make sure the spring is working. Okay, now you're ready to put the back cover back on. Go from the back end first, lay it down, start squeezing it back together. Now it's all back together. Double check that your button is still springy, and it is. Finally, take your key and slip it back in the slot, and there you go. All done.